Hi, in today's video we are going to see double hashing technique under closed hashing. So it is the third technique. We already saw two techniques. If you have any doubt, just you refer my previous video, then you come to this video. Okay. So in this double hashing technique, we are going to use three formulas. One is the first formula is H1 of K, and the second formula is H2 of K, and the third formula is U plus V star I modulo M. Okay, so these three formulas we are going to use. So how can we are using these three formulas? Means H1 of K it is nothing but U, H2 of K it is nothing but V. Then if both U and V we are finding, the third formula automatically it comes into the picture. Okay. So the ultimatum is we are going to store the key values into the hash table. So we are taking this as our hash table. The hash table capacity is 10. So that's why M value here it is 10. Okay. So what we are doing means initially we have to take this formula and we are executing this formula here. So I already executed this formula here. 3, that is 2k plus 3 modulo m. So that's why 2 into 3 plus 3 modulo 10. So what is that? 2 into 3, 6 is 6 plus 3, 9. 9 modulo 10, 9. So 9, we have a free memory area in 9. So that's why I am entering the value 3 into 9th location in the hash table. Okay. And the next key value is 2. So we are applying 2 into the formula. 2 into 2 plus 3 modulo 10. So 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 3 7. So 7 modulo 10. Result is 7. So we go to 7. It is memory available. So that's why I am storing the value 2 in the 7th location. Okay. And the third key is 9. So 2 into 9 plus 3 modulo 10. So 2 into 9, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. So it is, reminder, it is 1, modulo 10, it is 1. So we go to 1th location and we are storing the value of 9 there in the 1th location. Okay. And the next key is 6. So 2 into 6 plus 3, modulo 10. So 2 into 6, it is 12, 12 plus 3, it is 15. So 15 modulo 10 it is 5. So 5 in the 5th location I am going to store the value of 6. I am storing 6 there. Okay. So these are all the usual cases. At the time of finding the appropriate memory space with this formula H1 of K, if it is free, we don't want to execute any further execution. Directly we are taking the key and we are storing the key into the appropriate hash table. Suppose we are seeing this 11 at the time of trying 11. So 2 into 11 it is plus 3. 2 into 11 22 plus 3 25. Modulo 10 it is 5. Okay. So it is 5 means 5 already occupied. So if 5 is occupied, what we do? We have to calculate the V value. So U is at the time of collision we come to calculate the V. What is V? That is H2 of K, 3K plus 1 modulo M. What is 3K? 3 into K. K value is key value 11. 3 into 11 plus 1. So 33 plus 1 34. Modulo 10 it is 4. Okay. After finding V value, what I am going to do means I am going to apply with this formula U plus V star I. So I becomes 0 to M minus 1. So what is the key value? Key value it is 11. I want to insert 11. So at that time we are using U plus V into I modulo M. What is U value here? U value is 5. 5 plus V value is 4. 4 into I value, I becomes 0 initially because we start from 0. So into 0 modulo 10. So what is the value here? 4 into 0, 0. 5 modulo 10 it is 5. 5 already occupied, so that's why I am unable to use 5. So now I becomes 1. So 5 plus 4 into 1 modulo 10. So what is the value? 4 into 1 it is 4. 4 plus 5 9. So 9 modulo 10 it is 9. So we go to 9. 9 I already occupied. So we are unable to use that value. So that memory portion. So that's why I becomes 2 now. So 5 plus 4 into 2 modulo 10. So what is the value? 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3, value 3. So 3 means what is it? We go to third memory location. It is available. So if it is available, what I do? I have to store the value of, what is it? 11 into 3. So value 11 here into 3. And what is the other column which is given here? It is probing column. Probing, it is nothing but how many memory spaces just I try for, what is that? How many times I tried to find a free memory area. That is called probing. And all these 4 cases, first 4 cases, the probing is for 1, because in the first attempt itself I am finding the free memory area. Whereas here I am collision occurs, so that's why I am finding V value. After applying U and V value, there are 3 probing is there. What is that? 3 attempts are there. After 3 attempts only, I am able to find one place and I am storing. So that's why the probing it is 3 here. Probing it is 3 here. So okay. So this is what probing. And we are trying next one. It is value 13. So key 13. So 2 into 13 plus 3. So 2 into 13 plus 3. 2 into 13 means 20, 20, 26, 29. So 29 means it is 9. So 9 means already occupied. So that's why we want to calculate V value. V value for V value it is 3K. What is it? 3 into 13 plus 1. So 3 into 13 means 30, 39, 40. 40 means 0. So V value, it is U value is, now U value it is, U value 9, U value 9, V value it is 0. So I become 0 initially. So 9 plus 0 into 0 modulo 10. What is the value? It is 9 only. Suppose I becomes 1. What is the value? 9 plus 0 into 1 modulo 10. So anything into 0, 0 only. So what happens? Whatever the I value I am applying 1 by 1 up to 9, up to m minus 1. So the result will be 9 only. Again it is 9. So once again it is coming 9, 9, 9. So that's why 9 is already occupied. So that's why what I'm able to do means I'm not able to place the key 13 into the hash table. So that's why probing is, it is no probing. So I'm unable to find anything. So that's why I skip that. I come to next key, key 7. So what about key 7? I becomes, now I is 0, key is 7. Okay, so what is that? When we are executing that U value, it is 7. 7 already occupied. So that's why we are executing. We are calculating the V value. V value it is 3 into 7 plus 1. So 21 plus 1, 22. It is 2. So that's why 7 and 2 I am taking. So 7 plus 2 into 0 modulo 10. So what is the values? 2 into 0, 0. So 7 modulo 7. So 7 is already occupied. So that's why I am unable to do. I becomes 1. 7 plus 2 into 1 modulo 10. So what is the value? 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. So 9 already occupied. So that's why I becomes 2. So 7 plus 2 into 2 modulo 10. So what is the value? 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. So 11 means it is 1. 1 means already occupied. So that's why I becomes 3 now. So 7 plus 2 into 3 modulo 10. So what is the value? 2 into 3? 6. 6 plus 7 it is 13. 3. 3 already occupied. So that's why I am unable to do anything. I becomes 4 now. So 7 plus 2 into 4. modulo 10. So 2 into 4 it is 8. 8 plus 7 it is 15. 15 means it is 5. 5 already occupied. So that's why I am unable to. I becomes 5 now. 7 plus 2 into 5 modulo 10. So 2 into 5, 10, 17, 7. 7 already occupied. So that's why I am unable to store the value. I becomes 6 now. 7 plus 2 into 6 modulo 10. So 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 7 it is 19. 9 again. So I am unable to store. I become 7 now. 7 plus 2 into 7 modulo 10. So what is the value? 2 into 7, 14. And 14 plus 7 it is 21. 1. So 1 already occupied. So that's why I am unable to do. I becomes 8. 7 plus 2 into 8 modulo 10. So 2 into 8, 16. 16 plus 7 it is 23. So it is 3. So 3 already occupied. So that's why I becomes 9 now. So 7 plus 2 into 9 modulo 10. So what is the value? 9 into 2 it is 18. 18, 19, 20, 25, 5. So 5 is also occupied. So almost all the m minus 1 iterations are over. So I am unable to store this key also. 7 also I am unable to store. So that's why the probing value it is dash. I am unable to store the 7 also in the hash table. So now we come to next key value. It is 12. So 12 means 2 into 12 plus 3. 2 into 12 plus 3 modulo 10. So 2 into 12, 24. 24, 27. So 7 more 7. 7 already occupied. So that's why I am calculating V. So 3 into 12 plus 1. So 3 into 12 plus 1 it is 30, 36, 37. 37 modulo 7, 7. So 7 and 7. U and V is 7. So now I becomes 0. U7 plus V7 into 0 modulo 10 equal to. So what is that? 7. 7 into 0 is 0. So that's why it is 7. 7 already occupied. So now I becomes 1. 7 plus 7 into 1 modulo 10. So 7 into 1, 7. 7 plus 7 it is 14. 14 means 4. 4. 7 into 7, 1. 14. 14 means 4. 4 already we have a memory area, free memory area. So that's why we are storing this 12 into 7th location. 12 into 4th location. So 12. So that's why the probing it is second attempts. 2 attempts it is over. So that's why probing is 2 here. Okay. So this is what the idea of double hashing technique in the closed hashing or open addressing method. I hope you understand the logic.